In this video, I'm going to show you how to go live on RedNote. And in order to go live on RedNote, you need to allow RedNote to access your camera and microphone. And when you have done this and allow RedNote to access this, then you're going to click on the bottom middle red pink icon, this plus icon. And then you can see we have a function that says go live. So you just click on go live. Now it will automatically open your camera. And in here, there are a couple of things you need to do in order to start your live stream. So as you can see, everything is in Chinese still, but the things that they are telling you to do are just to put in your name in here, to add a little thumbnail of your live stream in here, and to verify your ID. And you can also add a hashtag in here. And once you have everything done, then you can click on this live button, but right now I cannot use it because I have not filled everything in. And that is basically what you need to do to go live. And if you're struggling with the Chinese at the moment, what you can do is you make a screenshot of your interface, of your overview, and then you can just basically select every Chinese icon in your screen and then click on translate. And as you can see, it says title page, add topics, and start a live broadcast. You can basically see everything like this. So this can really help out. But in the future, everything will be in English. So then you won't have this problem. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing. And then I'll see you in the next one.